rebound, it doesn't cost him later in life. Misfits say to keep up with the third. On this night, the Catalan could do no wrong. Even when Messi was denied by the crossbar, Pedro was on hand for the rebound. You can add to that Thiago. Come on, David Carrera, you didn't even try to stop that one. And at a healthy 5-0, Dani Alves feels like breaking out into style. Just that time. Captain Carlos Puyol, not a threat. Back to work, boys. And Pep Guardiola doesn't even look bothered anymore, while his replacement, Tito Villanova, looks just plain bored. Kind of things to come, maybe. Maybe Pedro's second will cheer him up. Or even Messi. 43 goals in the league and he's still smiling. Are you still counting? That's 7-0 to Barca.